I'ma head out then.
How's it going, man? What you running here?
2 Avatar STU 15s on Surge 4K, and 6 ampere spin, 320 on.
Yes, sir.
Nigga, now tell me how you doing. Think I come to talk your mom cool away. Positions on the floor, it's like erotic. Ironic, cause I'm somewhat psychotic. I'm hitting switches on bitches like I've been.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Medic, I am so high. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder missing. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder missing. Put a finger up to my yeah, I'm different. I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder missing. Pull up to the scene, but my roof gone. When I leave the scene, but your boot gone. And I beat the pussy like a new song. 2 chains, but I got me a few. Try to bust it over, I'm a new dog. Present and a gift rapping. I don't feel good, but my trigger but the wish it had me. And I wish a nigga would like a kitchen can. And me and you are cut from a different fabric. I'm fucking so good, it's a bitch. Shit done, you got a bad habit. Gave her the wrong number and a bad habit. You ain't going nowhere like a bad nappy. Asshole big, I told her look back at it. Then I put a fat rabbit on the graph-matic. I am so high, addict. I am so high like a addict. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder missing. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder missing. Pull up to the scene with my cylinder missing. Middle finger up to my competition. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my 2 chains, got your girl on the silly, and when I get off the silly, I made her meet at the telly. When she meet at the telly, I put it straight in her belly. When it go in her belly, and ain't shit you can tell me. Don't give a fuck, money long. Me and broke niggas, we don't get along. Hell no, money long. Me and broke niggas, we don't get along. $1,000 for my sneakers, Jay told you 100K for a feature.
Man, I appreciate it, man. What is it like? Some kind of port you got right there or something? Yeah. So I was trying to find out how the wheel was coming up. Okay, that's what's going on.
See the back right there.
Okay, I was trying to find out where the wheel was coming from.
Yeah, it's made to where you can't really see it.
Yeah.
It just the box in the back and the right angles coming.
Oh, that's creative.
It loads really well.
And then you can still keep the back seat.
I got 2 kids that love to ride in it.
Hey, that's the way it goes. I like it like that. That's why I try to keep my back seat, man. Where can I find you on social media, man?
I got Facebook, David Holloman. I mean, that's really about it. I ain't got no TikTok or nothing like that.
Okay, y'all be sure to give him a follow, man. I appreciate it, bro.
I appreciate you,
Yes, sir. I ain't got that. I gotta get to my pocket.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
wrong.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.